Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam, ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmeen, amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa man ahsanu qawlan mimman da'a ila Allahi wa amila salihan qala innani minal muslimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. I welcome all the viewers of Peace TV Network, the Peace TV English, the Peace TV Urdu, the Peace TV Bangla, and the Peace TV Chinese, as well as my 4 social media platforms, which are the Facebook, the YouTube, the Instagram and Twitter. I welcome all the viewers with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. And I welcome all of you to this new series by the title, Ask Dr. Zakir. This is a weekly live question answer session which will be held every Saturday at this time in your country, which is 15:30 hours GMT. And in this session, you're most welcome to ask any questions on Islam and comparative religion, or questions which a non-Muslim may have posed and you are unable to answer, or any question related to the misconception that the media is spreading. We also would like all the non-Muslim viewers to ask any question on Islam. For the non-Muslims, they can ask any question on Islam. They want any clarification. This is your opportunity in the program, Ask Dr. Zakir. Here, you're most welcome to ask your questions on any of my 4 social media platforms, but it will be preferable that you text the message on WhatsApp, since I'll be taking majority, 75% of the questions from the WhatsApp. You can text your question in brief, mentioning your name, your profession, the city and the country of origin on the WhatsApp number +60 11 269 53895. I repeat, on +60 11 269 53895. Can I have a glass of water, please? And in this session, as I mentioned, please, as far as possible, ask questions on Islam and comparative religion, any question which a non-Muslim may have posed you and you are unable to answer, questions regarding the misconceptions that the media is spreading about Islam, or any questions which a non-Muslim has about Islam, you're most welcome.
যার হক এসেছে সত্য ওয়াজাহাকাল বাতিল চলে গেছে মিথ্যে ইন্নাল বাতিল নিশ্চয় মিথ্যে কানা যাহুকা চিরদিন মিথ্যে